Hello?
Hey, I heard you were a dog walker. I need one. Can you walk my dog right now?
Yeah, sure I can. Alright. Okay, bye. Hello?
Hello.
Where are you?
I'm right here, stupid. I'm invisible.
I'm sorry. Okay, where's the dog I need to walk?
Right here.
Right, yeah. Okay, I get it. You're both invisible, that makes sense, yeah. Alright, so, it'll be about 30 minutes, and then you can pay me once you get back. Whoa! Great, now you're taking a poop.
And I've been taking care of business every day. Taking care of business every way. I've been taking care of business. It's all mine. Taking care of business and working overtime.
What? Are you serious? Even your poo is invisible?